Hello lovely people and welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how can you delete your Reddit post. So without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. To delete the Reddit post in your Reddit account, you just simply have to search Reddit in your Google account and tap to this first option that pops up after searching. It will directly lead you to the homepage of Reddit. After that, just go to your profile by clicking to the top right corner in your monitor. Then after going to the profile, you can see your previous posts. You just have to choose the post you want to delete and click to this triple dot here and it will give you this delete option. You just simply have to click to the delete button, then this tab will pop up. You just simply have to click delete post again and now your post is successfully deleted. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe the channel. We'll meet in another video. Till then, be safe and happy.